Today we're going to talk to you about a little tiny book called Cryptocurrency for Dummies, a beginner's guide to understanding digital currencies, learns all the basic of Bitcoin, Ethereum, blockchain, and other cryptocurrencies in simple terms. So the title gives away what is the purpose of this book. It's not going to give you the tips and tricks about how to do business in cryptocurrency or how to get into the cryptocurrency. It's essentially going to give you a little history and explain you all the basic terms and the names in cryptocurrency, because all the terms are new. And obviously, even though they're written in English, doesn't necessarily mean that you understand all of it. So when I went through the world of the cryptocurrency, I had problems with all the terms. So I made a list of words such as blockchain, digital wallet, etc., etc. So and then wrote a book out of it. Objective is simple, easy to understand, easy to finish, very small. You can actually finish the book in one go, and you don't necessarily have to finish the book. In fact, whenever you don't understand a term, you just have to go back to the book and look for the term, and then it will give you an explanation. It's basically a dictionary of cryptocurrency. So yeah, go to the description below, click on the link, and it will take you to this page. And hopefully this book will help you understand cryptocurrency before you start investing. Good luck, look after yourself, and bye-bye.